Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Very proud moment for Goa and GFA and entire country that first time Australian club is participating for the Bandolkar Trophy, and it will be immense pleasure to welcome them at the airport. And they are if you see them player, you feel that top class player compared to our teams. Let's hope they show the better performance, and our players should also learn how they play. This is our exchange program So Australia and India, 4 Indian team, Australia and Argentina team, they will play. Entire Goa is eagerly waiting for them to see their performance, and our club are also ready. FC Goa, then Dempo, Churchill Brothers, Sporting Club de Goa. So we also are taking in our gene there is a football in a Goan. So let's hope for best and enjoy the team and let them also enjoy the culture of a Goan.